If you want your itch.io page to look good, this video is going to walk you through the simplest design choices that make a huge difference. Whether you're updating a game page, a project page, or your creator profile, the goal is the same. Make everything feel clean, readable, and visually polished so people want to keep scrolling. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and creator guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your itch.io account and open the project or profile page you want to edit. Once you're on the page, look at the top admin navigation bar. You should see an option called Edit Theme. Click that and you'll see an interactive panel slide out on the left side of your screen. This is where all the visual adjustments happen, including fonts, colors, layout, and images. Now the first thing to focus on is layout. Under the theme panel, you'll usually find a layout switch that changes how your screenshots and text columns are arranged. If you want your page to feel modern and easy to scan, a standard grid structure is usually a strong choice. It helps separate your content clearly, keeps the page organized, and makes it much easier for visitors to understand your game at a glance. If everything is too cramped or too random, the page can feel messy, even if the content itself is good. Next, move on to typography. Fonts matter a lot more than people think. Choose fonts that are readable, clean, and consistent with the style of your project. For headers, you can use something with a little personality, but for body text, avoid overly decorative fonts, especially on large blocks of text. The best choice is usually a simple sans serif font because it keeps the page easy to read and gives the whole design a more professional look. Remember, a good itch.io page should not just look creative, it should also be comfortable to read. Now let's talk about the banner, because this is one of the biggest visual upgrades you can make. Uploading a custom banner image across the top of your page can instantly make it look more polished and intentional. In many cases, the banner replaces your standard text title, so it's important to embed your game logo or name directly into the image itself. That way, even if the banner is the main visual element, visitors still know exactly what project they're looking at. A well-designed banner can set the tone for your entire page in just a few seconds. After that, check the background. You can choose a flat color or upload a background image or GIF. If you go with an image, make sure it either tiles smoothly or stays subtle enough that it doesn't distract from the rest of your content. Your page description, screenshots, and download information should always remain easy to see. A background that is too busy can make text difficult to read and overwhelm the entire page. In most cases, a simple background that supports your theme works much better than one that competes with it. A good rule of thumb is to keep your design consistent. Your fonts, banner, background, and layout should all feel like they belong to the same project. If your game is dark and atmospheric, use colors and visuals that match that tone. If your game is bright and playful, let that personality show in the design. The best itch.io pages don't just present information, they create a mood. As you make changes, keep checking how the page looks as a whole. Don't focus only on one section at a time. Scroll through the page and ask yourself whether the text is easy to read, whether the screenshots stand out, and whether the visuals support the game instead of distracting from it. Small adjustments can make a huge difference. Sometimes, changing a font, softening a background image, or using a cleaner banner is all it takes to transform the page. If you're trying to make your itch.io page look more professional, it's usually best to keep things simple, organized, and consistent. Clear layout, readable fonts, a strong banner, and a subtle background can go a long way. That combination helps your page feel finished and trustworthy, which can make a big difference when someone is deciding whether to download or support your project. And that's the full process for making your itch.io page look good. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.